As you become more familiar with AI, you're going to hear the term hallucinate, which normally means seeing something that isn't there. But in the world of AI chatbots like ChatGPT, hallucinate means providing false information or generating false information. The startup Vectera did research on the rate of hallucinations by various AI chatbots, and they found that ChatGPT hallucinated about 3% of the time, which is one of the lowest rates of hallucinations by AI chatbots. So here's an example. I've got a list of the 10 most recent presidents, and I want to use the classify function to determine if they're a Democrat or Republican. Now, this is a very simple classify example. I've just got two categories to choose from, so I'm just using the basic classify formula without inserting those dollar signs into the range. So I'll press enter, and we see that Joe Biden is a Democrat, which is correct. Now I'm going to click in the Democrat cell and drag down. And it determined that Donald Trump is a Republican, but for the rest of the presidents, it just labeled them politicians. It didn't label them as Democrat or Republican. So it's not technically wrong information, but it's not the information I was looking for the final 8 presidents. So if I delete the last 9 answers for the last 9 presidents and go back up to the cell where it says Democrat for Joe Biden and double click to get back to the formula, and I'm going to drop in the dollar signs in the range and press enter. So now I've got Joe Biden as a Democrat. Now we'll drag down and see what happens. So now the classify function worked correctly, so I had to add that extra step of inserting the dollar signs into the range to make the formula work correctly.